Good morning, and welcome to today's video, where we're going to be talking about the top 5 best digital alarm clocks that also double as wireless chargers and Bluetooth speakers. As we all know, technology has become an integral part of our lives, and with the rise of smart devices, it's no surprise that our traditional alarm clocks have been replaced with more advanced versions. These new digital alarm clocks not only serve as a way to wake us up in the morning, but they also offer the added convenience of charging our devices wirelessly and playing music through their built-in Bluetooth speakers. So, without further ado, let's dive into our top 5 picks and see which one will be the perfect addition to your bedside table. Get ready to be amazed by the future of alarm clocks. Number 5. Ezvelo B9W2DR R4T Digital Alarm Clock Radio Wireless Charger. The Ezvelo Digital Alarm Clock Radio Wireless Charger with speaker has received positive reviews from customers. The sleek and modern design of the product makes it a great addition to any nightstand. One of the most popular features of the product is its wireless charging capability. Customers can easily charge their phones overnight without having to search for a separate charging cord. The charging pad is efficient and fast, and it has never failed its users. The speaker is another popular feature, as it allows customers to listen to their favorite music or podcasts as they get ready in the morning. The sound quality is decent, and it provides a convenient way to listen to audio without having to grab their phone. The digital clock display is easy to read and has multiple brightness levels. Customers appreciate the ability to set multiple alarms, so they don't have to worry about oversleeping on the weekends. The snooze button is easily accessible, and the alarm sound is not too jarring. Overall, the Ezvelo is a great value for its multiple functions. Many customers have recommended the product to anyone looking for a convenient and stylish alarm clock radio with wireless charging capabilities. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 4. Calcer S29 Newest Nightlight Digital Alarm Clock Radio. The Calcer Newest Nightlight Digital Alarm Clock Radio is a versatile device that combines the functions of a nightlight, alarm clock, wireless charger, and Bluetooth speaker. The design is sleek and modern, making it a great addition to any bedside table. The nightlight function provides a warm and soft light, making it easier to navigate the room in the middle of the night. The digital display is bright and easy to read, even from a distance. The clock radio has 2 different alarm times, making it ideal for those who need to get up at different times. The alarm tone is not too loud, which is a relief for those who struggle to get up in the morning. The wireless charging function is a convenient feature, allowing users to charge their phones without fumbling for cables in the middle of the night. The charging is fast and efficient, making it a reliable feature. The Bluetooth speaker is a fantastic bonus, providing high-quality sound for music and other audio. This feature is especially useful for those who want to listen to music or audio while getting ready in the morning or relaxing before bed. Overall, the Calcer Newest Nightlight Digital Alarm Clock Radio is a convenient and versatile device that is sure to make a difference in anyone's life. Its combination of features makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a nightlight, alarm clock, wireless charger, and Bluetooth speaker in one device. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 3. Emerson Radio E100,401 Smart Set is an all-in-one solution. The Emerson Radio Smart Set is an all-in-one solution for those who want to keep their mornings organized. This device comes with a 15-watt ultra-fast wireless charging pad, making it convenient for users to charge their devices overnight. The dual alarm clock feature allows individuals to set 2 separate alarms, so they can wake up at different times on different days. The Bluetooth speaker is a fantastic addition to the device, as it allows users to stream music from their phones or tablets. The sound quality is impressive, and the volume can be adjusted to their preference. The display of the device is large and easy to read, making it simple for individuals to keep track of time even from a distance. The setup and operation of the Emerson Radio Smart Set is straightforward and user-friendly. The buttons are well placed and easy to press, making it a breeze to use. The device is an excellent value for the price and is sure to provide users with many years of use. In conclusion, the Emerson Radio Smartest is a high-quality alarm clock radio with a range of features that make it a great choice for anyone who wants to stay on top of their day. It is highly recommended for those who want a device that is both convenient and reliable. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 2. The iBox 79309 PI/17 Digital Alarm Clock Radio. The iBox Digital Alarm Clock Radio is a highly functional and stylish option for those looking for bedside alarm clock. It boasts a clear and easy-to-read digital display and its alarm clock features are straightforward and simple to use. The Bluetooth connectivity feature allows users to stream music from their phones or another device, adding to its overall functionality. One of the standout features of this alarm clock is its wireless charging pad, making it a great option for those who use their phones for their alarms or need to keep their phone charged overnight. The charging pad is located on the top of the clock for easy access, and the charging is quick and efficient. The stereo speakers provide clear and crisp sound quality, allowing users to enjoy their favorite tunes from the comfort of their bed. The volume control is easy to use, allowing users to adjust the volume to their desired level. In terms of design, the iBox digital alarm clock radio is sleek and modern, making it a great addition to any bedroom. Its digital display is easy to read, and the clock features a snooze button, making it easy to turn off the alarm and get a few more minutes of sleep. Overall, the iBox digital alarm clock radio is an excellent choice for those looking for a bedside alarm clock that is both functional and stylish. Its wireless charging pad, Bluetooth connectivity, and stereo speakers make it a complete bedside solution. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 1. Culser S33 Wireless Phone Charger. The Culser Wireless Phone Charger is a multifunctional device that has been highly praised by those who have used it. This compact and stylish device has many features that have made a significant impact on the daily routine of users. The wireless charging feature is the most convenient aspect of the Culser. Users no longer have to deal with messy cords and can simply place their phones on the charging pad and have them charged in a matter of minutes. The charging pad is compatible with most popular phone models and has a fast charging mode which saves time in the mornings. The digital alarm clock is also a popular feature. The bright LED display is easy to see from across the room, and the snooze function is a lifesaver on those extra sleepy days. The Bluetooth speaker allows users to play their favorite music or podcast while getting ready in the morning, which has added a new level of excitement to their routine. The mirror lights are a fantastic touch as well. They provide ample lighting in the room, and the adjustable brightness levels make it perfect for early mornings or late nights. The night light is also a great feature, especially for those middle-of-the-night bathroom trips, without having to turn on a bright light and disrupt sleep. Lastly, the phone holder is a convenient aspect of this device. It allows users to keep their phones in a safe place while charging and also allows them to use them hands-free while getting ready in the morning. In conclusion, the Culser Wireless Phone Charger is a well-designed device that has made the daily routine of users easier and more convenient. With its multiple functions, it has become a must-have for anyone who values simplicity and ease in their daily life. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. That concludes our video on the top 5 best digital alarm clocks with wireless charging and Bluetooth speaker capabilities. We hope you found this information helpful in choosing the right device for your needs. Remember, a good night's sleep is important, and having the right alarm clock can make all the difference. With these amazing devices, you'll never have to worry about oversleeping or having a dead phone in the morning again. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content from us. Until next time, sleep well and wake up to a better tomorrow.